It's common to search in Tumblr with tags. What about multiple tags? Can we do it? Hello everyone, welcome to Tech It Simple. In today's video, we're going to find out how we can search by multiple tags in Tumblr. For example, if you want memes, and that too, only of cats, how can you do that? Well, you can do that with multiple tags in the search. And how do you do it exactly? First, head over to your Tumblr dashboard. Then, on the right, there is Search Tumblr. If you click on it and start typing, you can use multiple tags. But there is a format you need to follow, and it can be done first by writing the first tag as usual with a hashtag, like #cat. Then, space, this is important. Now, write the second tag, that is #meme. Now, click enter. There we are. Here was the Pong-seated ballet cat meme. Now you know how to search in Tumblr with multiple tags. Hope you found this video helpful. For future video updates similar to this one, do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.